Hey guys, welcome back to the Michigan Mastermind. My name is Tyler Wellness and I am the digital specialist. I help people turn their talents and skills into income using online methods. And today, guys, what I have in store for you is something that people have been talking about for a while now, and it's cryptocurrency, what's going on, and how to actually safely store your crypto. Okay, so I know this is one of those conversations that I didn't really think I would make a video on, because I don't really consider myself like the crypto guy as much. Like, I know a lot of crypto things, but I'm not like Crypto Mason or other people out there who I even watch for, some crypto content, right? However, I do know that there are people out there who have seen my previous crypto content videos, and I did say, hey, come on, follow us and check out our crypto content. And where's it been? Oh, it's been in my head. I haven't made it yet, so here we are, guys. All right, so how can we safely store our crypto? You guys may have heard about hardwire wallet, like Ledger or other ones out there. You may have also heard about exchanges like Coinbase, right? Or KuCoin or other exchanges out there. And you may have heard of getting hacked, right? And the thing about it is, if your private keys, which is basically like the password into your wallet, are on an exchange, that means that if the exchange were to get exploited and a hacker gets access to all of these private keys, your funds could be stolen from your account. What happens if you put your cryptocurrency on a hardwire wallet is your private keys are not on an exchange. Your password, your private key, is stored on your hardwire wallet, which basically means as long as you keep that safe and you don't plug it into something that's compromised, you shouldn't get hacked, right? So knowing that this password, all it does is allow you to move your cryptocurrency from back and forth. You can't do anything else without it. Your cryptocurrency is publicly visible, but no one can move it unless they have your password, which is what the wallet's for. So a quick strategy that I've started to develop for long-term saving your crypto, to make sure that you have that safety, but also you have the ability to fast trade on an exchange, is I use 3 different apps. You can get a hardwire wallet, or you can get an app that also allows you to have your own code that you can write down or have somewhere and keep it safe as well. So first app that I have is Coinbase. Second, I have Coinbase Pro. And third, I have the Exodus wallet. So the Exodus wallet is a new one that I just recently got, which allows me to stake a lot of coins, and that's where I store a lot of my long-term coins. So what I'll do is I'll start with what I call seed fund, or seed money. I will take $50 or $100 or $10, and I will buy a cryptocurrency. Maybe it's Algorand, maybe it's Ethereum, maybe it's Cosmos, maybe it's Avalanche. Buy that cryptocurrency. This will be maybe on the Coinbase Pro app. Buy all those cryptocurrencies, get $100 positions in each of them. As the market increases and it goes up, you want to take the profits. So say the $100 position, you log in, oh wow, it's $111, right? You're gonna take $11 out of that and you're gonna store it into your Coinbase account. Now, you were on Coinbase Pro, you just transferred it out to Coinbase. Next, what you want to do is, after you've done this process over and over, if your Coinbase Pro wallet account ever dips below $100, you buy the dip. So put in $5, put in $10, bring the balance back to $100. You now have what's called your personal dip. Anytime that's lower than $100, you buy it. Anytime it's higher, you transfer it out to your other account. Now you have your profit account, your Coinbase account. When the balances of these currencies reaches over $100 of value, you will send that currency coin over to your Exodus wallet. Your Exodus wallet is your long-term saving wallet where you can put all your currencies that you don't plan to use for a long time. You can also stake cryptocurrencies on the Exodus exchange. So with that, you can earn interest and earn passive income on the cryptocurrencies that you're actually looking to hold long term. So this little strategy is one of the strategies that I've used personally to make sure that I have safety in where my cryptocurrency is at. In the Exodus wallet, long term, it's like putting it in a bank safe. Now I have my exchange, which is like, let's say, the stock market, right? And both these are exchanges. We have Coinbase Pro, we have Coinbase, but the difference is I'm primarily looking at one. The other one is banking up all of my profits. Once the profits reaches a certain amount of value, I will transfer the value out, and that way we have that's a great way to accumulate overall, a long-term accumulation strategy for anybody, that anyone can start. You don't need $100. You can start with 10, you can start with 20, whatever you can do, you can start with it. I would highly recommend you use numbers and increments like $10 increments, $100 increments, $1,000 increments, because it's easier to see when you're up versus when you're down and not have to keep very tight tracking on everything. But this has been Tyler Wellness here, helping you guys learn more about cryptocurrency. Again, we have tons of other great coaches and entrepreneurs on this channel who can help you guys learn a whole bunch of stuff. So tell us what you guys would like to hear in the comments below. If you learned something really cool today, I want to know what that is and what your greatest takeaway was. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Tyler Wellness out. Make yourself a priority.